Hey guys, and you're probably wondering what's in this bag. I'm doing a squishy haul. I have 12 and I'm showing you 7 of my squishies. I'm gonna leave my favorite, that is personally my favorite, like I have 3 favorites, so I'll get started on with the video, so let's go. So let's see. My first squishy that I'm going to show is this chicken. I'll even be squishing them for you. So I'll put it right here. Viva. No. Sorry about my dog. Viva, can you please move? Okay, so here is a bunny. Looks like that. Here is another bunny. Oh. Here is a chicken. I'm just trying to get the hair off. And basically saying, I personally have the best. I basically have one more after this one. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. But wait, before I finish showing you the rest of my squishies, please like and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite squishy. Okay? Because you need to be brave and fearless like Nikki Bella. I mean, who wouldn't? Here is 2 adorable kitties that could go onto your phone. Here is this good. All the ones that I've showed you that were animals are fast rising. This next one isn't. My bag. It basically looks like this. It's like a little tart pie. I'm gonna squish it all up. As you see, it's very slow rising right now because it is a slow rising. It's from Orb. It says Orb China. Right here. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just gonna put it up close so you can see it. Right there. This is a squishy haul. Not the person being tall, but I'm gonna squish each strawberry. And I'm gonna do the whipped cream now. Here is basically the filling. And here is the crust. So this is basically what it looks like. So thanks for watching these videos, and this is basically I'm gonna keep on doing videos on this YouTube channel. And basically I'm gonna have my other phone that's gonna connect to this YouTube channel. Hopefully, I'm gonna subscribe to this channel on that one whenever I make a new channel on that one. And so I can see how much subscribers in the comments. Shout out to Maddie Puppets Movies. she also did a haul. Shout out to her. Shout out to Dr. Squish, Billy But Better, Extreme Games. Shout out to y'all guys. Hopefully, Dr. Squish, Extreme Games, and Billy But Better. Also, shout out to the Bella Twins channel. If y'all can, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Maddie Puppets Movies. She's already subscribed. I'm just asking those 4 channels to subscribe. And get back there and squishy out. Bye.